This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Christy Montgomery. No flood damage from Hurricane Ian. Also new roof to be installed by seller. Home has beautiful marble title throughout. Don't miss the opportunity to own this Outrigger model in Burnt Store Marina. This open concept design has a designated area for dining and a fully equipped kitchen with a large pantry. The master suite has a large walk-in closet. This home has hurricane-rated windows. Best of all, this home is not in a flood zone. Marina amenities available for an additional fee include a 27-hole golf course, tennis, pickleball, fitness center, trading post deli/market, and yacht and amp activity clubs. Burnt Store Marina is the largest deepwater marina in Southwest Florida. The marina also features 2 restaurants, Cass Key and the Lynx Cafe. Call today for your private showing and start living the maintenance-free lifestyle of Burnt Store Marina. For more information, review the details below or contact Christy Montgomery at 239-443-3160.